Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone is having a great day today. Just here to tell you a little bit about something that I actually got for my husband. It's a really useful gadget, and it has like a small little man cave, so I thought it would be perfect for that. So this is a bottle buster gadget. It is actually a 3-in-1 by Mulberry Studios. It is a bottle opener, a fridge magnet, and a coaster, all in one. They come in a bunch of different names. I know Christopher's kind of common, so like I figured that they would have his name. And then it says premium quality on it. It has a picture of like mountains with snow, and then the eagle. It says never lose your bottle opener again. Super handy and great to have in the house as well. Okay, so on the back here it says 3-in-1 multi-gadget, tough steel bottle opener, rubberized fridge magnet with cork protection on back for use as coaster. So it's really nice. You can kind of pick and choose what you would like to use it for. By Mulberry Studios Limited, EX29RY, Mulberry Studios Incorporated, 30290 USA. Product is made in China, and here is the barcode. Super easy to open. It's kind of nice because like when you have company and stuff, you gotta have like bottle opener out on the counter, and I don't know, for some reason they always get like misplaced or lost if they're like the little small ones. So this is easy to open. It has like the 2 twist ties in the back. Just getting those open. I could take this out here. Alright, so I got this out. So just to give you an idea of like the size of it, of course it's round, and then it like fits in my hand. Basically, I have a pretty small hand, so it fits nice in there, and it's not too big, and it's easy. It's nice because it's easy to use. Like you just would put the bottle, of course, in the bottle opener in the top here, and then just push in and press up and open it nice and easily. It's definitely useful too because, like if you're just having like even like a soda, like a bottle of soda or whatever, and it's not twist off, it's nice to have this. It's steel, so, and it has the rubberized bottoms here, so it won't ruin your countertop or your dining room table or dresser or whatever you have the coaster on. And it fits like a full-size glass would fit on top of this, and it looks nice, and it's steel, so it'll definitely, obviously it's long lasting. Just says Mulberry Studios on the back here, and I'm probably just gonna keep mine on the fridge just to like, because my husband has like a little small fridge in his man cave, so I'll probably just keep it in there, and then in the mini fridge we just have like some beers and juice and stuff like that, water bottles, just whatever drinks. So I'll probably keep it on that fridge just so it's close to like the beer to open it up. And it's kind of cool because it's like personalized too, so it has a little different names, so you could get this as a gift for someone because it has their name on it, or a gift for yourself or whatever. It's pretty, and it's like nice looking. So it's a fridge magnet, coaster, bottle opener, all in one. Nice addition to the man cave or to the refrigerator. And it's cool too because it actually looks like a bottle top with like the ridges on the side, and also because of the feel of like the top of it feels like a real bottle top, and it's not too big, so it doesn't take up too much room either. And yeah, so it makes a nice little stocking stuffer, gift. I gave this to my husband with like a gift card and some other thing, like some other clothes and stuff like that. So just to give you an idea. And it's definitely something useful that sometimes you get a gift and it's like, what am I going to do with this? But no, you have 3 different uses for this. So really nice. Never lose your bottle opener again. So guys, this was a bottle buster by Mulberry Studios, personalized bottle opener, fridge magnet, and coaster. Super useful to have in the house to open up anything that's not a twist off top, or even if it is a twist off top, sometimes they could be difficult to open. So this just makes life so much easier, and it's cool. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everybody.